We're out here with the new Defense Lab Fixed Blade. We're going to be doing some meat tests on it. So we got bone-in pork shoulder inside a pretty thick pair of denim jeans. This knife, we got an ambidextrous sheath with a discrete carry concepts clip. The way this knife was designed, a few features of it. It's got a 3-inch recurved blade. I like the recurved blade because as you pull through things, it starts to collect tissue and it doesn't want to slide out like a big bellied knife would. On top of that, the problem with the recurved blade though is if it recurves down, a lot of times when you go to straight stab it in, you'll slide down it. What I've done is I've put that tip center line in line with the center of the handle. That way, when you stab in, it'll stab just like a straight dagger would or a straight blade would, but you still get the benefit of that recurve. A few other little features on it. We've got this wave right here. That's gonna help keep it from twisting in your hand and let you know the edge orientation. And the flag at the back, that's gonna help extract it out of the sheath. It allows us to throw it a little bit deeper into the sheath, which makes it more concealable and a little bit more comfortable. There's less knife coming out above your belt line when you're bending over, moving around. And then last feature of it, we have a reverse edge. So when you're holding this knife, whether you're in hammer grip or coming out the bottom of your hand, that blade's facing you. I like that. I'm not really big into slashing. We carry small knives, and usually in a lot of parts of the country, through a lot of times of the year, we're wearing pretty thick clothing where those slashes aren't nearly as effective. So what I like to do is either just fast stab in or stab in and use your strong back muscles to pull through, whether it's coming out the bottom of my hand or out the top of my hand and pulling back towards myself. So we got the pork shoulder in here with the bone in it inside of this denim. I'm gonna throw a pair of gloves on and we'll get to testing. All right, so we're gonna see how this performs. I'm just gonna start with a straight in stab. We got free hanging meat, sort of like a person's body can move around. It gives us more of a realistic test here. All right, so that opened up pretty good, straight in. Got about as long as my finger into the whole blade here. Okay, we'll do one more like that. It's going in nice and easy, okay? Now, let's go, we'll stab in and we'll rip through with our back muscles. All right, so you can see we now have about a 3-inch gash, 3-inch stab, and then we're slashing through. So that maybe went, I don't know, 6 or 8 inches, but really open it up through that heavy denim. We'll go out the top of our hand now, so just stabbing in. All right, so I hit the bone right there. So I did not go the whole way in, but we'll pull it out. All right, hit the bone, no damage to the tip there. We'll go again. All right, this is, meat's moving and it's pulling it back out of the knife, but it is going in there. Okay, stuck in the bone again. Pull it out, no damage to the tip whatsoever. We'll now go in to the pork out the top of my hand. We'll pull through using my back muscles. So we're in, pull through. We get a nice big cut right there. Whole thumb's going in. Move you guys a little bit closer so you can see this a little better. So we can go in, easy, slide through, and that really opens this up. Make sure you guys can see that. It really opens it up nice and deep there. All right, we're gonna move to the ground here. Because it fell out, I went through the denim. It cut it open enough that the pork flew out. So we've got the meat here, bones down here. We're gonna try to get straight into the bone here and see what'll happen with the tip. I really like going out the bottom of my hand, thumb capping the back of the knife. We've got a nice grip here on the G10, but that's gonna help keep you from sliding down. This wave as well will help you keep you from sliding down the knife. I don't like to do a big guard at the bottom because if that goes into the material or into the tissue and then twists, sometimes it can be hard to get out. So let's go right into this bone right here. All right, we're pretty deep into that bone, a few inches there. Pull that knife out. It does no damage to the tip there. Again, into the bone. So you can see I'm nice and deep into that bone. I can pick it up, no damage to the tip. That's real deep. I went the whole 3 inches of the knife into the bone there. Again, no problems with the tip breaking, no bending of the tip. Okay, and slide through, no problems. Let's flip this over, see if we can hit the bone through this fat. We've got some gravel on there from the ground. Oh, missed it. There's the bone. Again, you can pick it up, wiggle it around, no damage to the tip. So, do a few more here. It's going deep, just going right through that bone there. Let's see if I can cut any of this meat away to expose the bone a little bit more. All right, so this is a solid piece of bone right here. I hope you can see that. Right there, we're gonna try to go in right on that bone. So went right into it, pull the knife out, nothing. Go once more. Again, right into that bone. There's just a tip into the bone, wiggle it out, nothing, no damage to the tip there. How about one more? It broke right through the bone there. Okay, you can hear that bone breaking. No damage to the tip. All right, so that concludes the cut test, the meat test with the new Defense Lab Fixed Blade. I'll give you guys some close-up shots here in a second. You can pick these up on our website, the-defense-lab.com. They'll be available for sale for you guys to pick up. You can get the live blade, the trainer, and the sheath. Live blade and trainer both fit into the same sheath. Discreet carry concepts clip on there, so it'll go over your belt, behind your belt. It'll clip onto basketball shorts, swim shorts, yoga pants, sweatpants, anything those clips don't let go. It's a nice lightweight knife, perfect for defending yourself. You can carry it with you wherever you go. So I'll give you some zoomed in shots. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. All right, so here's some close-ups. You can still see the meat on there. Let me make sure this is in focus. Get the meat off of there. No damage to the tip there at all. Sorry, it's going crazy with the focus, but no damage there to the tip. You got the nice textured G10. The Defense Lab Fixed Blade, available at the-defense-lab.com. Thanks for watching.